I'm climbing this tower, the one that the woodpecker once pecked up there before, while using some grip gloves and Mountain Dew. But first, I had to get that and put this thingy thing in my pocket because I don't have access to a GoPro, and as a result, I couldn't record this. Oh, on my forehead. I thought that was a wasp that I just encountered. Hooch. Step up. Stepping up. Ugh. Ugh. And just like that, I have made it all the way to roof level. Quick roof break. Oh, the video's still going on. Well, time for a sip of root beer. Mountain Dew. Alright, climbing all the way up. Uh-oh. Whoa. This thing right here is quite tedious. Yeah, I'm literally risking it all for a YouTube video. Haven't even uploaded in a little while. I know y'all praying for me. Thanks for doing that. I'm gonna make it. I'm not sure if I had much time on my YouTube short. Let me check. Check out this amazing view. I'm gonna see how far I can make it. One slip and it's toast for me. Away, I'm on my way.